Good morning, children. Now let's learn about letter. There are two types of letters, that is, formal and informal letter. Today we are going to learn about informal letter. Children, let's know what is informal letter. Informal letters are written to friends, family, relatives, etc. Since they are written to close relations, the letters have an informal and personal tone. Casual language is used while writing informal letters. The first thing to write is your address, that is, the address of the writer. We usually write the address on the left hand side of the page at the very top. The address should be accurate and complete. Even when writing to close friends or relatives, the address must be written so they can reply back to the letter with ease. Next, just below the address, we write the date. This allows the reader to have a reference as to when the informal letter was written. The date, preferably, should be in expanded form, not in a short form. Then, leave a line and write salutation. Now, since you know the person you are writing to, the greeting can be informal as well. If it is a friend or someone close to your age, you can greet them by their first name. Like, example, Dear Alex. If you are writing to your relatives like your mother, father, uncle, aunt, etc., you may greet them as such. For example, Dear Mom. And if you are writing to an elder person, someone you respect greatly, you can address them as Mr. or Mrs. Then leave a line and start with the main body of the letter. We will divide this into three paragraphs. That is, the first is introductory paragraph, second is content, and the third is conclusion. And now we begin writing the actual letter. The introductory paragraph sets the tone of the whole letter. You might begin by asking the recipient about their well being. Second is content. The letter overall should maintain a friendly tone, but you have to adjust the language and the wordings according to who you are writing to. With a friend, you can afford to be very casual and friendly. But if you are writing to an elder relative, you must be extremely respectful and considerate. One way to determine the tonality of your letter is to remember how you talk to the person in a conversation and then apply the same syntax and sentiments to the letter. Conclusion. In the conclusion paragraph, sum up the reason for writing the letter. That is, summarize the letter. Say a meaningful and affectionate goodbye to the reader. After the main body, again leave a line. Then comes your signature. Children, there is no one way to sign off informal letters. You may sign off as you please. Some commonly used phrases are lots of love, kind regards, best wishes, your loyal friend, etc. Pick the one that best suit the occasion and then simply sign your name below the greeting. Children, keep the following points in the mind while writing an informal letter. First is, the letter always begin with the sender's address on the top left hand corner. Second, write the date below the sender's address on the left hand corner. Third, the date is followed by an appropriate salutation such as Dear. Next, the letter should include an introduction, body, and conclusion. Next, conclude the letter with an appropriate complimentary close such as best wishes, lots of love, kind regards, your loyal friend, etc. Make sure to use proper line gaps and spacings throughout the letter. Children, I hope you have understood the concept of writing informal letter. Thank you.